If you create content or run a business, filming yourself has probably become one of the most difficult parts of the job. You set up the camera, fix the lighting, and keep doing takes until one finally works. Then you just start over for the next video. Heygen's digital twin avatar takes a single 15-second phone recording and turns it into unlimited videos of you. Any outfit, setting, or script delivered in your voice. What you are looking at right now is actually one of those videos. My face, voice, and expressions, all of it generated from a 15-second clip that I filmed once on my phone. And I'm going to walk you through the exact same process to build one yourself. So step 1 is to set up your avatar. And for this, we are going to be using Heygen, which you can access by clicking the link down in the description below. Now, when you open it, what you see on the top left sidebar is the Avatars tab, and you click Create Avatar in the top right corner. You will be asked to choose between cloning a real person or creating a virtual character. Since we are building a digital twin, click Clone a Real Person, and it opens up the recording setup. And the coolest part is you can record either straight up from the camera you have in your browser, film on your phone, or just upload any clip you have. Heygen is going to ask for at least a 15-second clip. What Avatar 5 is actually taking from that clip is how you move when you talk. The biggest issue with older models is that they'd often just completely change how you look over time. Avatar 5 solves that because it reads your whole clip as context, which is why the way you look stays consistent. Good lighting and a clean, stable background also make a big difference here, because the model uses that visual consistency to lock in your appearance more accurately. After the motion capture is done, you can also record a voice clone inside Heygen. Your voice is what makes the avatar feel like you. You can record your voice separately instead of letting Heygen use audio from the video that you recorded. A 10-second recording works, but 1 to 2 minutes of normal talking in a quiet room makes the voice sound much more like you. For the purpose of moving quickly here though, I'm just going to use the voice from the footage. Once everything is done, Heygen shows you a preview of your avatar before you generate any content. But before you can preview your avatar, you will need to prove your identity. A Verify Identity screen appears asking you to record a short video reading a script. This step confirms you're allowed to use the avatar and helps prevent misuse. After you've verified your avatar, you will see the Design with AI section at the right. This is the part of the workflow that makes Avatar 5 genuinely different from any other older avatar tool. The first step is setting your base look. Think of it as the main photo Heygen references each time it generates a new version of you. I would recommend you to use a clear close-up of your face. Make sure your face is easy to see, nothing covering it, and there's no shadow on it. Once your base look is done, Heygen gives you 2 ways to generate new versions of yourself. The first way is the scene library. It is a set of ready-made scenes with different clothes, places, and backgrounds. You pick one and the AI places your face into that scene in a few seconds. This is really good for finding the starting points. Now the second option is more powerful. It is writing your own custom prompt where you describe exactly what you want, and Heygen generates a new version of you in that setting. Now to show you how I do that exactly, I'm writing this prompt. It produces a photo of you in that exact setup that you can take straight into a video. And here are a few looks I generated for myself using this exact process. These came out really solid. The quality is clean, the face stays consistent, and they already look ready to use. Now let's take one of these and turn it into a talking avatar clip with natural movement and voice. Now select any look you want and you can start creating your video. The first thing to check in the right-hand panel is the motion engine. Make sure it is set to Avatar 5. If you have uploaded multiple motion clips from different recording sessions, you can also choose which one to use as the reference in the advanced settings. In my case, I only have this one. For the script, you have 2 options. Paste your own text into the script box or use Heygen's built-in AI script generator. The generator is powered by ChatGPT. You give it a topic, a target audience, and a tone, and it writes a full script for you right inside the platform. One thing worth knowing about the generator is that it treats its output as a draft, not a finished script. ChatGPT's default writing doesn't add any emotion to it, and people can usually tell, especially at the start and between parts. If you use your own scripts instead of relying fully on the generator, the result feels much more authentic and closer to how you naturally speak. So I'll paste in a script I wrote myself. Once you finalize the script, go ahead and generate your video. Pick your resolution, go with 1080p, and hit submit. By the way, if you haven't signed up for Heygen yet, there's a link in the description so you can follow along and try this yourself step by step. What I get back is a polished professional video that looks and sounds just like me. I have to tell you about the one thing that completely changed my mornings. I used to roll out of bed, grab my phone, and instantly feel behind. The lip sync looks real, the expressions feel natural, and honestly, if you didn't know it was AI, you'd probably just think it's a normal video. That is the main workflow made with just one video. You create your avatar once, and every video after that is just a script and a look. But there is a part of Heygen that most creators are not taking advantage of, and it is the fastest way to turn one video into content for a completely different audience. Heygen has an AI video translator built directly into the platform, and it connects straight to your digital twin. What it does is take a video you have already created and convert it into another language, with your cloned voice speaking in that language and the lip sync on your face adjusted to match. It's not just subtitles or a voiceover of your video. Your face actually moves with a translated speech in 175 plus languages. To use it, press on Translate in the left sidebar. Upload the video you just created or paste a YouTube link if it is already published, or you could choose it from your project's history. Select the target language and Heygen handles the translation, the voice generation, and the lip sync adjustment all in one step. And here is what a translated version of one of my videos looks like. Tengo que contarte lo que cambió mis mañanas por completo. Solía salir de la cama, tomar mi teléfono y sentirme atrasada al instante. It's the same content, but I am now speaking a completely different language. What this means in action is that one video you record becomes content for multiple language markets. A course creator launching in English can have the same lessons live in Spanish, Portuguese, and German by the end of the week, without re-recording a single frame. You are not making a new video for each market, but making one and translating it everywhere. And because it uses your cloned voice, the translated video does not sound like a translation. It sounds like you made that video specifically for that audience. Now there is one more layer to this workflow that I want to show you, and it is the part that changes what the output actually looks like visually. Video Agent is Heygen's full production layer, and it goes beyond just placing your twin in cinematic footage. You give it one prompt describing what you want, and it handles the entire build. Everything from the script, scene planning, your avatar and cinematic shots, captions, layout, and editing. So for example, I asked it to create a 90-second video on 3 common AI video mistakes, and straight away it builds out the full plan. Writes the script, maps out the scenes, and then turns it into a complete video. You can get videos up to 3 minutes long ready to post. You also edit each scene individually even after the video has been generated, so you can change scenes, timing, or parts after it has finished. The link to get started with Heygen is in the description below. If you want to save time, stay consistent, and actually produce content at scale, this is where it starts. Heygen gives you a smoother, more efficient way to create without slowing you down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.